Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE S88 Pro, and today I'll show you how to go through the bypass process of this phone. Now, as you can see, the phone in front of me is locked, and I can unlock it using a pattern or using the Google account. And assuming we don't know either of those, we're gonna begin the bypass by going back to the first page, and from here changing the language to any kind of other language that has a different keyboard, which are basically all the ones right at the bottom of the list. So basically, I believe any language from Turkish downwards will work, so just select whichever one you want. And from here, let's just go through the setup. Now, if you're not sure what you're pressing, just press where I am. It's the same thing that you would have done before. And once you see the pattern right here, or whatever it is for your case, you want to click on the Google account instead. Now that is assuming the device did have a protection. If it didn't, then it's automatically going to go to the Google verification page. From here, you want to tap on the field, and in my case, I selected the wrong language. So before I change it to something else, sometimes for some reason, sometimes the language just doesn't give us the option, even though it should. What you're looking for is, instead of that emoji icon, you should see a globe icon. If you do, then just wait for me. If you don't, then just go back and change it back to another language, not this one that we have selected. I'm just gonna go with a Greek in this case. So again, let's progress through this quickly. Now, basically any language should work, but sometimes they just get glitched to the point that it doesn't show you the globe icon for no reason, because it is using a different keyboard, so it should. So just to fix that, you have to just switch the language. And from here you can see that we now do have a globe icon. So once you find it, hold it. This will open up the language settings right here. So number one, we're going to change it to QWERTY. Then hold it again and go to language settings, which is the text below, and then go to add keyboard, this blue button, and choose any option that doesn't have an arrow. So you can see there's one here and a couple here and below. So I'm gonna just select the first one and then tap on add, which now that has added a keyboard. From here, we're gonna go back to the first page once more and change the language back to English. And again, progress through this once more. Hold the globe icon, language settings, add keyboard, and this time around you want to choose one with an arrow. So as you can see, there is one right here. And from here you want to tap on the three dots, go to help and feedback, and then describe your issue, you want to type in use Morse code, or to do it quickly, just type MO. And this will bring up use Morse code as suggested. So let's click on it. Once it loads up, you want to click on the video, then again 3 dots and choose watch later, which will open up web browser. From here, let's accept and continue, and no thanks, we don't want to sync. Tap on the search bar at the top and navigate to HardReset.Info/bypass. There we go. So from here, once you actually get to the site, scroll down and click on the settings app, which will open up the phone's settings. And then what you want to do is scroll down to security right over here, and you should see the screen pinning option. So you want to click on it, enable screen pinning, and then enable the lock device when unpinning, and this will allow us to set a protection on our device. Now, if you remember, one of the ways that we could verify our account throughout the setup was using a pattern, or well, the Google account. So just to keep it a little bit different, I'm gonna go with a pin. I'm gonna set up a pin, so I'm gonna make it quite simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop on next. 1, 2, 3, 4, and confirm. And this will set up this super secure pin. And that's basically all I want. So I'm gonna skip adding fingerprint and basically hold the power key, select restart, and wait for the device to boot back up. Okay, so once it's back on, now to actually get to the setup, we do need to provide that pin that we have set. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4 to unlock the device, and from here we can basically skip through the setup. So at this moment in time, it doesn't really matter what we set it up, because the device is, well, still kind of locked. But as you can see, we're right now at the page where we would need to verify our phone in a way. And before this was a pattern, now it's a pin. It basically got overridden with the pin that we have set up. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there we go. This will allow us to finish up the setup. Now, I would advise you to go through the setup without actually doing anything special right here. Just go through it as quick as you can. And once you have finished up the setup, what you want to do is perform a reset of the device. So there we go. And from here, we're going to go into the settings. Scroll down to System, Reset Options, Erase All Data, Factory Reset, and then again erase all data, provide that pin that we have set up, enter, and erase all data. Now I actually missed it, but that's okay. So once you click on the erase all data, the process will begin. It will basically start formatting the device again, and it will bring you back to the setup of the phone. But at that point, the device will be fully unlocked, so you can set it up as however you like. You won't have to do any kind of bypassing of any sorts. Like I said, the device will be fully unlocked. Now, I'm just not going to go through it just to save the time, because once you erase all data, the device is basically fully unlocked at this point. So that is how you will bypass this. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.